My name is Stuart Cohen, and I've been asked to answer a few questions here today as an attorney. One of the questions that I've been asked to answer is, what do I do when an insurance company denies coverage? It is not uncommon for an insurance company to deny coverage. The first thing that you need to do in this instance is check with the insurance company to find out what the basis is for why they denied the coverage. Under most state laws, they have to give you that information. With that information in hand, I always suggest that you go back first, if it's a medical matter, go back to the hospital or the facility or the provider that issued the bill and go back to them with the bill and the explanation that you have, whether it be in writing or what you've been told on the phone, as to why the insurance carrier has denied the bill. Many times at a hospital or in a doctor's office, there is a person, it could be a nurse, it could be a social worker, but a person who has an awful lot of knowledge about insurance policies and bills, how they're paid, why they're paid, what to do when those bills are denied. Sometimes it's as simple as having a doctor or a nurse rewrite the report so that it's written in such a way that you qualify for the benefits. It's critical that before you go back to the hospital or the doctor, that you understand why the insurance company is denying the bill, because that simple fix might be just the answer. If you've gone through those steps, that is, you've contacted the hospital or the facility and the provider, and it doesn't work with that provider, I think the next step would be to go to a social worker. A social worker may be familiar with the various benefits that are available in the community and through various insurance policies that you have. Perhaps the bill is being denied because one carrier won't pick up the bill, but there is alternative coverage of some kind. For example, say workers' compensation or Social Security that could cover the bill. And a social worker is in the best position to know that and to look into those facts for you. And so I suggest that as a next step or a second step in the process. If you fail at both of those, and you still believe there's coverage that's available, your next step is to go to an attorney. Depending on the issues in the case, depending on the language of the policy, the exclusions under the insurance policy that are being used to deny the coverage, the medical support that you have, what's been done by the doctors and the social workers, it may be possible for the attorney to shake that tree one more time and obtain coverage. Be sure to find an attorney that's experienced in handling those kinds of matters and is comfortable in dealing with those kinds of matters. That would be the third step. I think that answers the question. Thank you.